vegetables is something that we always enjoy, and adding to that is today's delectable cheesy vegetable sandwich. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the cheesy vegetable sandwich, first I'm going to make the filling. For this, take 1 onion finely chopped, add 1 tomato de-seeded and chopped finely, 1 medium-sized capsicum finely chopped, 1 medium-sized red capsicum finely chopped, season it with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder, 2 teaspoons mint chutney. Next, add about 1 cup of mayonnaise. You can adjust the mayonnaise according to the quantity of vegetables you're using. Next, add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix everything together nicely. You can see I've mixed the vegetable nicely with the mayo and the other ingredients. Now I'm going to assemble the sandwich. Apply some softened butter on both slices. Make sure you spread it evenly on all sides. Add the mint chutney to both the slices and spread it evenly. Take a little bit of the vegetable filling and place it on one slice. Gently spread it out evenly. So I'm going to make this as a club sandwich. So you take another slice, apply a little softened butter onto the slice. Add a teaspoon of mint chutney on both the slices and spread. Place the vegetable filling on the slice. Close it. The sandwich is done. Now I'm going to grill this sandwich. Place the sandwich on the pan. Keep the flame on medium. Apply a little butter on top of the bread slice. Gently flip it over. The sandwich is ready. Next, I'm going to make the cheese sauce. To the pan, add half teaspoon of butter. Make sure the flame is on medium-low while making the cheese sauce. Add 1/4 cup of milk. To this, I'm going to add 75 grams of processed cheese. I'm going to grate it into the pan. Once the cheese is completely melted, turn off the stove. Hope you guys enjoyed this delicious sandwich. Well, I definitely did. And it's a very tasty. I'm sure everybody will enjoy it. So do try this recipe and enjoy it. You can eat it as is and serve it immediately. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frame.